Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
ईश्वर आपको सब प्रकार से सुखी रखे मेरे बच्चे। थोड़ा सा 31 जुलाई को जो सेकेंड इंटरनल असेसमेंट टेस्ट है उसकी योजना को फील करें। जैसे इस बार 28 जून को भैया ने क्वेश्चन अपलोड कर दिया था, उसी तरह से इस बार भी 31 जुलाई को वो 7 बजे तक क्वेश्चन अपलोड कर देंगे। और इस बार का जो टेस्ट है ओरल है और उसी दिन 31 जुलाई को जो आपका टेस्ट है वह ओरल है और उसी दिन 7 बजे तक क्वेश्चन अपलोड हो जाएगा और 10 बजे से मैं प्रतीक्षा करूंगा। जिस ऑर्डर में आपका कॉल आएगा उसी ऑर्डर में आपकी परीक्षा शुरू होगी। सुरवाजा ऑफ द ब्लैक एरोप्लेन, तुम्हारी मर्जी, जिस प्लेन को बोर्ड करना चाहो, जिसमें बैठना चाहो, चाहे ओल्ड डकोटा में बैठना चाहो या द स्ट्रेंज ब्लैक एरोप्लेन में जिसमें बैठना चाहो बैठ जाओ और जर्नी को स्टार्ट करते हैं। योर प्लेन इज गोइंग टू टेक ऑफ। थोड़ा सा रिकैपिचुलेट कर लेते हैं कि the narrator of this prose piece, the narrator of this story is a pilot. This story, The Black Aeroplane, is being narrated by a pilot. He was flying his old Dakota. He was flying over France back to England. He was flying over France back to England. He was dreaming about his holidays. He was overwhelmed and tempted to have the typical English breakfast. He was dreaming this kind of things about his holidays, about the nice time he would have with his family, about the typical English breakfast he would enjoy with his family. He was dreaming about these things. And weather was very fine. The moon was coming up behind him in the eastern sky. The night sky was full of stars. He was flying over sleepy countryside. What happened? He saw lights of a great city in front of him and he decided to make contact with Paris control. He contacted the control, he got necessary instructions and was acting accordingly. But when he was about 150 miles ahead of Paris, he saw black mountains of huge stormy clouds, and he didn't have enough fuel in his plane. He was in a great fix. He found himself surrounded by troubles and difficulties. He was neither in a position to go up and over those clouds, nor to go around them. It was a great risk to enter those black stormy clouds. But he was so tempted, he was so overwhelmed about his holidays and especially about the great English breakfast he would have with his family. He decided to take a risk and he went straight into the stormy clouds. So it was pitch dark inside the clouds. Nothing could be seen. एकदम घुप अंधेरा, कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा था. It was pitch dark. Pitch, P-I-T-C-H, dark inside the clouds. Nothing could be seen. His plane started jumping and twisting. And to his great horror, he felt panicked when he discovered that none of his instruments were working. The dial of the compass was moving round and round. The radio was not working. Just imagine his mental state. He must have felt panicked, greatly afraid. But to his great surprise, he saw an aeroplane flying very close to him. Means, he saw another aeroplane flying very close to his aeroplane. He felt relieved. It was a great relief for him to see another aeroplane flying very close. And the pilot of that aeroplane was beckoning to him to follow. He started following that straight black aeroplane like an obedient child, and he continued following him for half an hour. Again, he was frightened because he didn't have enough fuel, and he thought that the amount of fuel that was in the tank of his plane would hardly support him for 5 to 10 minutes. Again, he was frightened, but suddenly he saw that he was out of clouds, and he saw straight lines of lights in front of him. It was a runway. It was a Hawaii Patti. So he landed his plane safely. And he decided to express his gratitude. He decided to express his gratitude to the pilot of the second aeroplane. And he looked around, but he could see no trace. But he couldn't see any trace of that second aeroplane. So he went to the control. And decided to make queries about that aeroplane. And the lady inside the control looked at him strangely. She told him that only his plane was seen on the radar, not any other plane. Now the pilot of the old Dakota was wonderstruck. He started wondering about that second aeroplane. He started wondering about the pilot of the second aeroplane who saved his life, but he didn't have any clue. Okay, bachcho. So this is the story in short. Let us do some question answer. Okay. The first question is, I will take the risk. What is the risk? Why does the narrator take it? Listen to the question carefully. The question is, I will take the risk. What is the risk? Why does the narrator take it? Now, think a little while about the answer. What was the risk? The answer might be written thus. The narrator, the pilot of the old Dakota, was enjoying his trip greatly. The weather was very fine. But when he was 150 miles ahead of Paris, suddenly he saw black mountains of huge stormy clouds in front of him. And he was not in a position to go either up or over those stormy clouds or to go around them. But he resolved to take a risk. What? His temptation was that typical English breakfast. He was overwhelmed about his holidays and he was tempted about the typical English breakfast he would have with his family. He decided to take a risk and he went straight into the stormy clouds. Now, the second question is, describe the narrator's experience as he flew the aeroplane into the storm. Describe the narrator's experience as he flew the aeroplane into the storm. The narrator, the pilot of the old Dakota, took a risk. He went straight into the black, stormy clouds. But the old Dakota or his plane started jumping and twisting. It was pitch dark inside the clouds. Nothing could be seen. All the instruments of his old Dakota had stopped working. The needle of the compass was moving round and round and round. The radio was not working. He felt panicked. But suddenly, to his great surprise and relief, he saw another aeroplane flying very close to him. The pilot of that aeroplane beckoned to him, signaled to him to follow him. And he started following that aeroplane. The black aeroplane, the strange aeroplane, and the plane didn't have light on its wings. He started following it. He started following that plane like an obedient child. आज इतना ही रहने दो, कल कंक्लूड कर लेंगे. इसमें एक बड़ा चैलेंजिंग क्वेश्चन है. This lesson is a big mystery. This lesson is a big mystery. The world, the great world you are a part of, is a big mystery. What? We don't have explanations for all that happen around us. In a way, I dare say that we are born in mystery. We eat mystery, we drink mystery. Don't you see that your being alive at this particular moment is a big mystery? You are alive at this particular moment. What? Is it your doing? No, it is a happening. Your breathing is on, so you are alive. Anyway, I have gone astray. I simply wanted to draw your attention towards the fact mystery. We don't have explanations for all that happen around us. And the things we don't have any explanation for, we term them as mystery. So this lesson is a big mystery, and how we will discuss tomorrow. Have a nice day. And फिर से बता देता हूँ, सेकेंड इंटरनल असेसमेंट टेस्ट उसी दिन 31 जुलाई के दिन ही आपका, और वो ओरल है. जिस तरह से भाई ने 28 जून को क्वेश्चन अपलोड कर दिया था, अपलोड कर देंगे 31 जुलाई को, और 10 बजे से मुझे प्रतीक्षा रहेगी आपके कॉल. जिस ऑर्डर में आपका कॉल आएगा उसी ऑर्डर में परीक्षा और सिलेबस भी सुन लो. के अनफॉर्चुनेटली 2 लेसन्स जो हम लोगों ने सप्लीमेंट्री में किए थे वो एक्सक्लूड हो गए, द मिडनाइट विजिटर और ए क्वेश्चन ऑफ ट्रस्ट. अब तो सारे बच्चों के पास वो नोटिफिकेशन आ गया होगा और मेरे पास इन लोगों ने उपलब्ध करवा दिया है, तो अब तो मैं हमेशा अलर्ट रहूंगा. वो लेसन्स नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा, वो पोएम्स नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा. लेकिन इस बार ध्यान रखें कि दोनों की मेन कोर्स बुक में भी और सप्लीमेंट्री में भी, मेन कोर्स बुक और सप्लीमेंट्री से भी लेसन फर्स्ट से ही रहेगा कोर्स, लेसन फर्स्ट से लेकर और 27 जुलाई, फर्स्ट लेसन से लेकर 27 जुलाई तक जितना कुछ आपको पढ़ाया जा चुका रहेगा मेन कोर्स बुक और सप्लीमेंट्री में से, उसके आधार पर सेकेंड इंटरनल असेसमेंट का ओरल टेस्ट होगा। ईश्वर आपको सब प्रकार से सुखी रखें। मुझे खुशी है कि पहले जो 31 स्टूडेंट थे वो अब 33 हो गए हैं, लेकिन अभी भी 53 स्टूडेंट्स हो, जिसको लेकर के हम लोग बड़ा आश्चर्य लगता है आपकी मनुष्यता देखकर। आपकी पात्रता मैं जानता हूँ, किसी अच्छे स्कूल में 7th का एग्जाम आप पास नहीं करेंगे, और कैसे आप इस डिफिकल्ट टाइम में सपना देख रहे हैं कि आप बोर्ड एग्जाम पास कर जाएंगे। जो पढ़ रहे हैं उनके प्रति सम्मान व्यक्त करता हूँ, और जो नहीं पढ़ रहे हो ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आपको वे सद्बुद्धि दे। बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण होगा अगर कुछ अनहोनी घटा तो ईश्वर आपको सुखी रखे।